Hi everybody. Today's topic is called energy. As you know, energy moves our world. So what's energy? Energy is the ability of a system to do work. Every day we get up, get dressed, go to school, study, do projects, play sports, and etc. All these things are possible thanks to the energy that our bodies obtain from food. For this reason, our bodies are like machines that transform the energy in food into metabolic energy and muscular energy. At the same time, technological objects that we use also require energy to function correctly. For example, we use muscular energy from our legs to move the pedals of a bicycle. In contrast, modern devices such as TVs or computers need another type of energy, electrical energy. Cookers use electrical energy or natural gas to produce thermal energy, another type of energy, in order to cook food. Similarly, cars and buses have motors that use gasoline or diesel as a source of energy. There are many different types of energy, and all of them are measured in joules. This is the unit that we use to measure energy. In this unit, you will learn about the energy that we use to power machines and how the most common machines function. As you can feel, there are many different types of energies. So let's try to study the different types that we know. First type, chemical energy. Results from the formation or decomposition of substances. Resulta de la formación o descomposición de sustancias. This energy is stored energy contained in chemical compounds. Es la energía que está contenida en los compuestos químicos. Food is stored chemical energy. Or, for example, a battery stores chemical energy. Chemical energy is released during chemical reactions. Another type, thermal energy. This is energy which is released as heat. Es la energía que se desprende como calor. Energy transfer. When two objects at different temperatures are in contact, heat flows from the hotter to the colder object. And look at this part that is in contact with the fire. Movement of atoms and molecules. Quiero que entendáis que la forma en que el calor se transmite a través de un objeto es causando movimiento en sus átomos y sus partículas. Esta barra está en este extremo en contacto con el calor y entonces sus partículas tienen un movimiento mayor aquí que que otros que están más alejados porque están más fríos. Electrical energy. This is energy produced by the flow of electric charge. Electric charge travels through wires in a circuit. Esta es la energía más común y en la que luego centraremos el tema. Energía eléctrica, producida, como ya sabéis, por el movimiento de cargas a lo largo de un cable. Nuclear energy. This is energy stored in the nuclei of atoms, in some nuclei of some atoms. Hay dos procesos en los que se desprende ese tipo de energía. La fusión nuclear, en la que dos átomos diferentes se unen generando una cantidad ingente de calor y un solo átomo, un solo núcleo. Y la fisión nuclear, en la que tenemos un núcleo que se transforma en 2 o 3 o más núcleos diferentes, desprendiendo una gran cantidad de calor. Por eso esta energía está contenida en algunos átomos. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the combination of two energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, it is the energy related to movement, and potential energy is the energy associated with the height of an object from the ground. Esta energía es la combinación de dos tipos, energía cinética y energía potencial. Energía cinética está relacionada con el movimiento, con la velocidad. En potential energy, energía potencial, es la que tiene un objeto por el hecho de estar a determinada altura con respecto al suelo. In this situation, for example, the block has high potential energy and no kinetic energy. When the block is falling, the kinetic energy is increasing and the potential energy it is decreasing. Just when it is about to hit the ground, the kinetic energy is maximum and the potential energy is minimum. And after the hit, the blocks have neither potential nor kinetic energy. Al final, cuando ya cae el bloque, ya no tiene ni energía potencial porque estará quieto, porque estará en el suelo, ni energía cinética porque ya no tendrá velocidad. Electromagnetic energy. This is energy stored in electromagnetic waves or radiation. Which type of waves? For example, this is the energy contained in television waves, radio waves, microwaves, and light. This is the energy contained in light. Okay, and now this principle that is the real important in this topic. Energy can be transformed, but it cannot be created or destroyed. This is the principle of energy conservation. Este es el principio de la conservación de la energía. La energía no se puede crear y no se puede destruir, solamente se puede transformar. So, as we have different types of energies, the only thing that we can do is just transform the different types of energy into another one. Okay, let's try to study different transformations of energy. For example, in this circuit, the battery contains chemical energy. This chemical energy, it is transformed into electrical energy, an electrical current. And then, in the light bulb transforms this electrical energy into luminous or electromagnetic energy in form of light and in thermal energy because it produces heat. In this situation, the chemical energy in our muscles can be transformed into mechanical energy in order to move objects. Another type of transformation. Chemical energy can be stored in fireworks. When fireworks explode, that chemical energy is converted into light, heat, sound. Sound is a type of kinetic energy, mechanical energy. For example, another type of transformation. Photovoltaic solar panels transform the light energy from the sun into electrical energy directly. In cars, internal combustion engines transform the chemical energy of fossil fuels into thermal energy. Most of this thermal energy is transformed into motion, but some of it is lost as heat. Some energy is also lost as sound, when certain parts of the motor hit each other and vibrate. En un coche tenemos en un principio la energía química de los combustibles que se transforman en energía térmica, en energía cinética de movimiento y parte se pierde en forma de calor y de sonido. A mixer converts electrical energy into kinetic energy, and some energy is also lost as heat. In stars, the nuclear energy of atoms, such as hydrogen, is transformed into very intense, luminous and thermal energy. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you tomorrow in class.